Hello everyone, I am Chelma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. In previous class, we are completed nearly 7 problems. Now I am going to discuss that some concept here. These type of problems important. Here two equations given. One is cos x plus cos y is equal to a. Another one is sin x plus sin y is equal to b. So first equation and second equation. Observe here, divide both, that means uh, sin x plus sin y. I'm going to take first second equation divided by first equation, or first equation divided by second equation, anyone, no problem. That is equal to b by a. Just second equation divided by first equation I am done. See the numerator part. Sin C plus sin D. What is the formula, students? 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. This is the numerator part. Go to the denominator part. Cos C plus cos D. 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. That is equal to B by A. Here observe that any term is going to cancel. Yes, 2 is going to cancel. Cos of x minus y by 2, cos of x minus y by 2. Remaining, observe that sin by cos, tan of x plus y by 2, that is equal to b by a. So we got first bit answer. Sir, no. Now I am going to prove that second bit. How to do the second one? Sin of x plus y. This is in the form of sin theta. What is sin theta formula in terms of tan? That is 2 tan theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square theta by 2 now. So use this formula. Sin of x plus y, that is 2 tan x plus y by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x plus y by 2. So already we know that tan of x plus y by 2, that value should be b by a. Substitute 2 into b by a divided by 1 plus b by a whole square. Okay, students. Now numerator 2b divided by a. Denominator, take LCM. A square plus b square divided by a square. Here one of the a is going to cancel. Remaining a is going to numerator. Finally, we get the answer 2ab by a square plus b square. So we got the second answer also. Now I am going to prove that third one. Students, third one, what is there? See, cos of x plus y. Already you know very well cos theta formula. What is cos theta formula? 1 minus tan square theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Yes or no? So here we get 1 minus tan square x plus y by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x plus y by 2. What is tan x plus y by 2? First bit, that is b by a. So now finally we get here 1 minus b square by a square divided by 1 plus b square by a square. Numerator and denominator take the LCM. LCM is going to cancel. Remaining part a square minus b square by a square plus b square. See that? Third bit also we got. Now I am going to prove that fourth one. How to prove that fourth one, students? Fourth one, what they are given? Tan of x plus y. X plus y. What is tan theta formula? Tan theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 minus tan square theta by 2. This is the formula. If you know these three formulas, then only the three bits are very easy. Now apply the formula. 2 tan x plus y by 2 divided by 1 minus tan square x plus y by 2. Second bit, fourth bit are looking same like that. Just difference, denominator part, plus and minus. Okay. Now 2 into numerator b by a and denominator 1 minus b square by a square. So numerator 2b by a, denominator take the LCM, a is going to cancel. Finally you will get 2ab by a square minus b square. See that? Fourth bit also we got answer. So these type of problems given means solve like this by using sin theta, cos theta, tan theta formulas in terms of tan. Okay, students. Pi less than alpha minus beta less than 3 pi. That is the condition. And here alpha minus beta by 2 is there. Divide with 2. What happens? See. So first write that pi less than alpha minus beta is less than 3 pi. That means, so draw the small diagram. This is pi. This is 2 pi. Again, this is 3 pi. Yes or no? Here onward started, it's going to like this. That means one revolution is completed. So no. Right. Now divide with 2. What happened? Pi by 2 is less than alpha minus beta divided by 2 is less than 3 pi by 2. 90 to 270. That meaning is alpha minus beta by 2 is belongs to second, comma, third quadrant, both. Okay. Now sin alpha plus sin beta value given, cos alpha plus cos beta value given, then find cos of alpha minus beta value. How to do this? So do like this. Both squaring and adding. Squaring and adding. Then we get. First I am writing left hand side. Sin alpha plus sin beta whole square plus cos alpha plus cos beta whole square. These are left hand side values. Now go to the right hand side. Minus 21 divided by 65 whole square plus minus 27 divided by 65 whole square. This. Now here expand first term a plus b whole square form, sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus 2 sin alpha sin beta, 2 sin alpha sin beta. Now second term, students, second term plus, so I am writing here cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus 2 cos alpha cos beta. 2 cos alpha cos beta, that is equal to numerator and denominator. Observe that is 65 whole square is the LCM. Then numerator, what is 21 square, students? 21 square, how to write 21 into 21, that is 441 plus 27 square, that is 729. 729. Overall, observe that 729 plus 441, that is 1170. Okay, divided by what is 65 whole square, students? This is 4225. 4225. Now go to the right hand side terms. These terms, observe that sin square alpha plus cos square alpha value, how much? 1. Sin square beta plus cos square beta value 1. So I am writing 1 plus 1 plus, here in second term take 2 common, remaining cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. What we can write? That is cos of alpha minus beta. This is okay. This value is how much? 2. 2 take common overall. 2 common, 1 plus cos alpha minus beta, that is equal to 1170, denominator 4225. Okay, 2 into, but we need cos alpha minus beta by 2. What is 1 plus cos theta formula? 1 plus cos theta formula, that is 2 cos square theta by 2. This is the formula. Okay, now here 2 cos square alpha minus beta by 2. This is okay. Now that is equal to 1170 divided by 4225. Now 2 into 2, how much, students? 4. 1170 4 times, calculate. 4 2s are 8, 37 is there. I think cannot be possible to cancel now. First take 2 times. 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10. 585 by 2. 585 by 2. Again with 2, not possible. Go to another method. Cos square alpha minus beta by 2. That is equal to 1170 divided by 4 into, this is actually 65 into 65 now. Now 2 2s are 2, how many times? 585 times. Now 5 13s are 5 1s are 5 1s are 5 7s are 1175. Okay, now 13 9s are how much, students? 9 3s are 27, 9 1s are 9 11, 117. This is 13 9s are, so overall this is 9 by 130. But we need only cos of alpha minus beta by 2. Square and right hand side, plus or minus under root 9 by 130. Here we got plus or minus. What we want to take, plus or minus? See here, that's why I'm calculated here. Alpha minus beta by 2 is belongs to second and third quadrant. In second and third quadrant, cos is negative. So finally here write that minus root 9 means 3 divided by root 130. Students, are you understood? Why I am taken only minus? Cos is negative in second and third quadrant. So now, so finally we got answer minus 3 by root 130. Second option is correct. See the 10th question. There are two equations given. So I am taking first one divided by second equation. These are only left hand side values. Now write the right hand side. 4 by 5 divided by 2 by 7. Students, see the numerator. Cos C plus cos D. Formula. 2 cos C plus D by 2. Cos C minus D by 2. But denominator, observe that. Cos C minus cos D. That is minus 2 sine C plus D by 2 sine C minus D by 2. In right hand side, see the calculation. 2 times. And the 7 is going to numerator. 7 2s are 14. And 5 is coming denominator. And here 2 to cancel. By observing the question, then calculate. Here what is there? X minus y by 2 in terms of tan. X plus y by 2 in terms of cot. Okay. Cos by sine, that is cot, minus cot x plus y by 2. Okay. X plus y by 2 we want in terms of cot, but x minus y we want in terms of tan. That is important here. Cos by sine, cot. Cot means we can write 1 by tan or not? Tan of x minus y by 2. That is equal to 14 by 5. Take cross multiplication. Minus 5 cot x plus y by 2. That is equal to 14 tan x minus y by 2. Just to take the cross multiplication. Now by observing the question I am writing minus 5 cot send right hand side. Right hand side already 14 tan x minus y by 2 is there. If you are send minus 5 cot right hand side, it is going to positive. So remaining what is there in left hand side? 0. See that final answer, which option is correct? First option is correct. Please copy the formula. If you want to prove, I will explain. But answer is very easy. If n is even, 2 cot power n a minus b by 2. If n is odd, answer is 0. See the 11th question. The power, what is there? 2015. 2015 means odd or not? So answer is 0. Answer is 0. Now, go to the next question. So this is how to think 12th question or 11th second bit. The value of the power, what is it? Even. If it is even, what is the formula? 2 cot power. N means here 2020. A minus B by 2. But here, in place of A and B, they are given alpha and beta. So finally, what is the answer, students? 2 cot power 2020 alpha minus beta by 2 is the answer. Enough. If the power is odd, answer is 0. The power is even, remember it. So if you want to prove, I will explain here. I will explain here. See the first term. What is their first term? Numerator. Cos C plus cos D, like that, is there or not? So cos A plus cos B formula. 2 cos A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. But denominator, observe that sin C minus sin D, like that, is there. What is the formula? 2 cos C plus D by 2. That means here A plus B by 2 sin or cos? Cos only. Cos A minus B by 2 and whole power n. So here which terms is going to cancel, students? This is, and 2 also. Cos by cos. So what is the problem here? Cos C plus cos D. Sin C minus sin D. Here I am written mistake. What is the mistake? Here is sin. Sir, no. Sin of A minus B by 2. So this is not going to cancel. Which term is going to cancel? These two. Plus, second one, see that numerator sin C plus sin D form. What is the formula? 2 sin C plus D by 2. That means A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. And denominator, students, cos C minus cos D. That is minus 2 sin A plus B by 2 sin A minus B by 2. And whole power n is there or not? Whole power n. Here these two terms is going to cancel and 2 also cancel. Remaining cos by sin, cot power n A minus B by 2 plus here minus cot A minus B by 2 whole power n. That means here we get minus 1 whole power n into cot power n A minus B by 2. If n is odd, what happened? Cot power n A minus B by 2. If n is odd, minus 1 whole power odd number, we get minus. Cot power n A minus B by 2. See here, these two is going to cancel. 0. When it is possible, n is odd. If n is even, what happened? Both are positive. Minus 1 whole power n. If n is even means that is going to positive. So what we get, students? Cot power n A minus B by 2 plus cot power n A minus B by 2. That is 2 cot power n A minus B by 2. Yes or no? This is proof of that formula. Now in the examination they will give the questions like this. See here, 11th one and 11th second bit. This is, you have to think 11th first bit, second bit. Here power is 2015, odd number. That's why answer is 0. Here power is 2020, even number. Answer is 2 cot power 2020 into alpha minus beta by 2 in the examination. So you will do within 1 minute whenever you know the shortcut formula. Otherwise it will be take time. Yes or no? Right.